Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a seemingly simple, yet incredibly crucial piece of tech. The Dysead USB cable cord lead, specifically designed to be compatible with the Fujitsu ScanSnap S1500 and S1500M document scanners, as well as a range of other laptop and PC data needs. This isn't just any generic cable. It positions itself as a high-quality, reliable solution for ensuring seamless data transfer. One of the first things that stands out about this Dysead USB cable is its commitment to quality and safety. The product boasts international quality certification, which immediately instills confidence. It's reassuring to know that this cable isn't just thrown together. It's manufactured in compliance with top industry standards. For anyone who values the longevity of their devices and the integrity of their data, this is a significant plus. Beyond just meeting standards, the Dysead cable incorporates numerous safety mechanisms. We're talking about protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. In an age where electronic devices are central to our daily lives, having these layers of protection built into a simple data cord is invaluable. It means peace of mind, knowing that your expensive scanner, laptop, or PC is safeguarded against common electrical mishaps that could otherwise lead to costly damage or data loss. This level of engineering speaks volumes about the brand's dedication to user safety and product durability. While its primary compatibility is highlighted for the Fujitsu ScanSnap S1500 and S1500M document scanners, making it an ideal replacement or spare for those specific models, its utility extends far beyond. This USB data cable is also perfectly suited for connecting various other devices, including computers, monitors, printers, and a host of other home and office appliances that rely on a standard USB connection for data transfer. The versatility means it could easily become a go-to cable in your tech arsenal, reducing clutter and ensuring you always have a reliable connection at hand. The product description mentions that a full list of compatible models is available, which is helpful for users to double-check their specific device needs. What you ultimately receive is one pack of this high-quality USB data cable PC laptop cord. It's presented as a straightforward, no-fuss solution for essential connectivity. For anyone in need of a dependable, safe, and certified USB data cable, especially for their Fujitsu ScanSnap scanner or general PC use, the Dysead offering appears to be a very strong contender. Its focus on robust construction and comprehensive safety features truly sets it apart in a market often flooded with less reliable options. This cable isn't just about connecting two devices. It's about ensuring that connection is secure, efficient, and protected.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.